Guys, welcome back to Logan Expert Grass Harvest. I have a bunch of grass in my pocket and we're gonna feed the animals. We have a whole bunch of grass from the harvest. Whoa. Papa, you want the grass? The grass harvest for the animals. You see that one? That sheep is eating the grass. We're farming grass. We're feeding the animals, and the animals eat the grass. Yo! I have grass in my pocket. We throw the grass. We throw the grass, guys. Hit that epic blippy button so this dog can eat its grass. Hit that epic subscribe for the grass dog.